replacing this mirror, I'm going to pop out this cover. Here you can see the connector. With either a very small screwdriver or a pick, I'm going to pry the locking tab up, and that'll release the connector. There we go. Set that aside. And with a 10mm socket, I'm going to remove all 3 of these nuts. Okay, on this last one, I'm going to support the mirror. Make sure not to drop these in the door panel. Now you can wiggle the mirror out of place, and here's your old mirror. Take your new mirror and line it up with the 3 holes for the studs, and start on your nuts. Now you can snug them up. Be careful when you do, because you don't want to over tighten this. The studs will easily break off. You'll notice as I tighten these 3 bolts, the mirror got sucked up into the door. That means the seal is properly seated now. Take your connector and put it back into place. Make sure it clicks. Take this little cap and line it up with this hook here, and then press it on. And now you can go ahead and test your mirror.